Hello, thanks for dropping in. Here we have, well, what I suspect is another 1541, but I have not opened it up as of yet. I don't know when the last time it was opened with. Alright, so, I will carefully just move over here. Remove the sleeve without doing any damage. The sleeve is in mighty fine shape. And I'm going to remove the Commodore styrofoam. Put it up there. And here we have this. This has on here. It does have a. I thought it had a serial number. Maybe not. All right. This one too has cables with it. I'm not going to use them. It also has inside the head protector. Alright, so before it's on, I will turn it off. Before I go to some crazy lengths, I'm just going to turn it on, see what I hear. Okay. You may think I'm crazy, but the last time I turned one on, it kind of made a weird noise, and then it was not smelling good. This one is making a continuous spinning noise. I'm going to plug in a cable. I'm going to hit the reset switch, which should try and send it some sort of commands automatically. But of course, we're going to get nowhere. It is locked up tight. And you know what? I'm not going to open this one up at this juncture. We'll put this protective thing back inside. And I will set this down. And, I will press this reset thing again. Oh, look at that, F3. Funny, a fellow wrote to me, I did a quick video before on how to look at the directory. And it does seem the function keys on this machine oh, look at that. Do things. I was not aware. I didn't really use the 128 all that much. Because most people, of course, use it in 64 mode. Anyway, well, this will be a quick, not very successful video. Because we have another 1541 spins. Now, what could that be? Most anything. It's typically one of the main chips. So, on this grand early morning adventure, we have one 1541 that didn't smell good and one that spins endlessly. Well, there's one more that I know of, so I'm going to go get it. We'll see where we're at. Oh, Thanks for coming.